Hi guys, back with another video. So today I was about to do my hair and then I realized that I was all out of hair tea. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my hair tea. This is all the stuff that we need to make our hair tea. So today we are going to be using our electric candle, and it's my favorite because you can use everything all in one, and then it has this cute little strainer, and so when you have stuff in it, then you could just pour it into the same container without the stuff being in it. Okay, so we have our thing. Then we are going to pour our water in here. Done. Okay, next we are going to add our ingredients. First, we are going to start with our nettle tea. You have to do about two teaspoons, and then you're good. Okay, next we have our catnip tea. And next we have horsetail. We're gonna take at least 2 teaspoons, pinches of these. Now we're going to add 2 hibiscus flowers. We're going to add lavender for the aroma. Black tea. Last but not least, we have our green tea. Now we're all done. Now we're just going to let it steam. Okay, so now that I let it steep overnight, we are ready to pour it into my handy dandy little cup. And remember, it has a strainer in it, so the flowers won't come out. Now, if that is done, we can add 10 drops of peppermint oil. We have silk peptide, at least 2 spoonfuls. Done. And last but not least, we have a little bit of olive oil. This was that tea bag. Okay, that should be good. Now you put your handy lid on. Done. It feels really nice. It's like a little massage for the skin. It feels nice and cool, just moisturizing, and then it'll just moisturize your curls with just nice and moisturizing. the silk peptide makes it like nice and silky and soft, and I think most people like that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below any questions so that later on I can answer them. Bye!